In the meanwhile, we are switching screen shares from my screen to Mons' screen. So you all have a kind of an idea what is WordPress, how you install WooCommerce, and then start to sell printed products. And you will see it will take 10-15 minutes, unless it's the ultimate demo day and everything goes wrong. But let's see that.
Yeah, I just need to know, Martin, do you see my screen now?
Yes, I do. I see you opt for many different languages there. So go ahead.
Okay, good. So as I said, this is a completely clean WooCommerce or WordPress installation. We'll just quickly go through the steps. These are regular WooCommerce parts, WordPress parts, sorry. So we select language. We set a title for our site. I'll just quickly do that. We set a username, we set a password that we can remember. We accept that it's weak, it's okay. And just a moment ago, I set up a Cloudprinter account called C7 just for this purpose. So we install the WordPress and it takes just a few seconds. Yeah, then we can log in. And that was the basic installation of WordPress. Now we have the WordPress admin dashboard where we can start by installing the plugins that we need.